Hey guys, so I apologize for how quickly last week's video was put together. Midterms absolutely crushed my soul and my will to live. But I am bringing my camera with me today down to the village. I'm hanging out with my friend Emma. We are going to go like shopping at Target, because where else, and get some coffee and stuff. And last time I was at that coffee shop with Camille, Cameron Diaz was there, so I should probably bring this just in case I run into someone, hopefully Shawn Mendes. So anyways, I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and hopefully this week's video is a little more well put together. So let's go. Food! I am the epitome of health. The best place on earth. Emma, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
I broke the box. Whoops. I feel really bad. This is all we came here for. College is killing my soul. Story time, guys. So Emma's going on a date tonight, ooh la la, but the guy suggested mechanical bull riding, and Emma can't do that, and she said that, she specifically said I can't ride a mechanical bull, and this dude said, well, then you can watch. Why not something cute, like the beach, or the mall, or literally anything else?
Nope.
Besides that.
And his friends, mechanical bull riding.
So,
Perfect date. This is dangerous.
so we're about to try the electric scooters, and Emma doesn't have her driver's license, so we're gonna see how this goes, because it literally says license required. It's like a moped.
It is.
Okay guys, I figured out a way to bring you with me.
I'm scared.
Okay. Go, Emma, go!
No. I could ever.
If you do not have a career
In my head.
or an education lined up here, I do not suggest moving here ever in your life. Ever. Driving by a cemetery to represent the end of my GPA. Okay, so we have someone new to introduce, and he's walking away. This is Kopitar. Newest addition to our family. Ooh. Say hi, buddy. And he's leaving. Okay guys, that is all we have for you guys today. Thanks for watching again, and we will both see you next week.
Oh my, my, my.